Hi, hello dear friends. Welcome back to another video of Connect to Physics. As you know that we have started mission GPSTR 2021. So in this YouTube channel, you are going to get GPSTR free lecture videos in playlist section. In our YouTube channel, you can go to the playlist section. There you have to be select GPSTR science and maths classes. Okay. So this is the 15th lectures. So what we are discussing today. So in the previous question paper, they have asked some question. Okay, GPSTR 2017 descriptive paper. As you know that paper 2 is your subject paper. In that 50 questions are objective questions that you have to be tick in OMR sheet, and 100 marks questions are descriptive questions that they are going to ask in 2 marks and 3 marks question. Okay, so many students they ask me to solve some questions in previous year question paper. So for that reason, this video is made for all of you. You can take the best use of it and share as much as possible to all the GPSTR aspirants. So many students they asking me, sir, actually we are not getting English videos on GPSTR syllabus. So for that reason, if possible, share as much as possible to all the aspirants, those who are writing their exam in English video. So with this we'll start the video. So in today's class we are going to discuss about the next class. This is a part 2 video on thermodynamics. Okay, so my dear friends, as you know that thermodynamics. Okay, so video will be a little bit lengthy, so be connect with us till the end of this video, otherwise the concept will not clear. Okay, so as you know that my dear friends, thermodynamic is nothing but, in short we can say, it's it's like the transformation of heat, you can say. Okay, thermo is nothing but heat. Okay, thermo means heat, dynamic is nothing but motion, or else you can call it as an, it's a branch of physics where you are going to study the different forms of energy. Okay, so this phenomena we are going to call it as an thermodynamics. So in the thermodynamics, three important parameters are system, surrounding, boundary. Okay, these are the basic things. I think in part 1 video I have discussed. If you have not seen, just go for the lecture 1 in GPSTR playlist. You are going to get the complete details. So as you know that in descriptive paper they have asked you that write a note on, I think, yes, what is isothermal process. For 2 marks they have asked this question. So like that, in thermodynamics there are 4 important types of process. Okay, my dear friends, the first one is isothermal. Okay, isothermal process. See, isothermal is nothing but, iso means same. When you are going to see the word iso is nothing but same, thermal is nothing but heat. Okay, so heat is nothing but, it is in form of energy, that is in the form of temperature. So isothermal means, if a process, okay, think that this is process, initial process, you can say this is an initial process. Okay, so here in the initial process the temperature is T1, volume is V1, pressure is P1. Temperature, volume and pressure, all they are in initial position, T1, V1, P1. After completion of the process, if you are seeing any changes here, this is an initial process. After completion of the process, temperature is T1, volume is V2, pressure is P2. What you are observing here, the temperature is remains constant at initial position and after completion of the process. This type of process is called as isothermal process. Okay, isothermal process means the temperature remains constant, that is called as isothermal. Like in this way, the second important process is isobaric. Okay, isobaric. As you know that this word baric is nothing but related to the pressure. Okay, to measure the pressure you are going to use a meter, that is barometer, you have heard about that, okay, to measure the pressure. So isobaric means the pressure remains constant before initial position, after completion of the process the pressure remains constant, that is isobaric. Isochoric means the volume remains constant, that is called as isochoric process. So after this, the most important thing is laws of thermodynamics. Okay, the most important topic is laws of thermodynamics. Laws of thermodynamics. See, laws of thermodynamics means there are four important laws. Okay, yesterday naku important law ide. First one is zeroth law of thermodynamics. Second one is first law of thermodynamics. Second law of thermodynamics. Okay, and fourth one is third law of thermodynamics. Okay, usually in thermodynamics you have studied only three laws, first, second, third, but actually thermodynamics have four laws: zeroth law, first law, second law, and third law. One by one, in within a short time, I am going to explain you zeroth law of thermodynamics. What you will learn in zeroth law of thermodynamics means, think that you have a cup of tea here. Okay, you have a cup of tea. This is cup A. Like that, you have cup B, and you have three cups A, B, C. So the temperature of this cup is 70 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay, the temperature is 70 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. After 10 minutes, what you do means, you just keep these three cup in a box. Okay, you take a box and keep the three cups which have different temperature. One is 70 degree, second one is 60 degree, and third one is 60 degree. After 10 minutes, what you are observing means, the temperature of A is become 60. Temperature of B is become, just wait, this is 50. Okay, A is 70, B is 50, C is 60. So after 10 minutes, what you are observing, the temperature of A will become 60, B will become, it is 50 is there, no, it is become 60, and C is always, that is in 60 degree temperature. That means what happened, this body A will supply its heat energy to the body B. Now you are observing they are thermally equilibrium with each other. Temperature is constant in cup A and cup B, but cup C also the temperature is 60, so that's why that is remaining constant. That means that body A is thermally equilibrium with body B, body B is thermally equilibrium with body C. Then body A and body C are thermally equilibrium with each other. That says zeroth law of thermodynamics. Like that, first law of thermodynamics, what it say, energy neither be can be destroyed, okay, neither be created nor be destroyed, but you can take the use of energy in the form of, you just see here how we are going to understand the first law of thermodynamics means delta U equal to delta W plus delta V. Okay, so as you know that heat is in the form of energy, that is 100% heat if you are giving to any system. 50% of energy that is absorbed by the internal molecules of the material. Okay, and 50% that energy will work. So 100% is energy is converted, 50% for internal molecule and 50% for the work. That says first law of thermodynamics. I have made a complete video of first, second and third law. If you have not seen, just go to the physics lectures, there you are going to get. Like that, second law of thermodynamics, max Second law of thermodynamics, there are two statements, Calvin and Max Planck's two statements are there. Okay, energy which always flow from colder body to hotter body, and second one is it's not possible to construct an engine which gives 100% efficiency. These are the two statements what we learned in second law of thermodynamics. So in third law of thermodynamics we learn entropy of a system is zero at absolute 0 degree temperature. Clear? So that means entropy means the disturbance, the randomness of the molecules in the universe, it will become zero and there will be absolute 0 degree temperature. Okay, so these like that you have to remember the concept. So be connect with us and share as much as possible to all your friends. If you like this video, at least make one like and one comment how you have understand the video lecture today's. If you want more videos, just make me a comment on which topic you're going to ask the video. I'll make it. So with this I'll conclude. Thank you dear friends.